Hello everyone, my name is Andrew from Collectiv, and today I'll be showing you row level security within Power BI. And so with that, let's go ahead and dive right in. Right here, we have a report that is showing home value for sale inventory across a number of states by postal code in the United States. And right up here in the top left, I tried to put a text box that's going to tell us what's really going on behind the scenes. And right now you can see that there's no filter being applied and that we are in fact viewing data across all the states within the report. One of the things that Power BI allows you to do is control access by creating roles and assigning people to those roles. Now, the way that you can do that is if in the top left, along these tabs, if you select modeling and then manage roles, we're going to go ahead and create one right now. And we're going to call this role Oregon because we want to create a role in which the people in this role are only allowed to view data for the state of Oregon. Now, Power BI makes it really easy to do this. So I'm going to click on the table that has state. And then I'm going to click on these three dots. And right here, you can actually add a filter so that rather than having to type this out yourself, you can say, I want to reference the state name column. And it's going to pre-populate your DAX expression with this function. And then we just need to replace what's in between these quotes. And so we want to say that everybody in this role can only view where the state name column value is Oregon. And then after that, we're just going to go ahead and hit save. Now we've created a role. In order to test if that role actually worked, what we can do is we can also click on this View As button just to the right of Manage Roles, and we can select the role that we just created. So once selected, it's going to tell you that you're now viewing as Oregon, and you can see that the report has now filtered to view what you would see if you were in fact added to that role. Now you might ask yourself, okay, so I've created a role, but now how do I add people or assign that role to individuals? In order to do that, we're going to need to publish this BI to our workspace. And so after you do that, I'm just going to go ahead and hop over to the browser. You're going to need to navigate to your workspace and then click on the data set. And here, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the three dots and go down to security. And right here, you can see that we have added this role, the Oregon role, and I'm going to go ahead and add myself to it. So now when we are viewing this in the published or app from the workspace, I have been assigned the Oregon role and will only be able to view information of Oregon. And that about sums up row level security. I want to thank you all for watching.